So welcome students for this foundation class. We are mm, preparing you with some concepts in mathematics and science primarily so that for you when you go to 11th standard it will be little easier to approach the NEET or JEE and things like that. You will be studying much more in 11th and 12th, but this whole idea is we have found earlier we did not have this class. We had only that 11th and 12th NEET JEE class. We found that students are lacking some concepts, basic concepts missing. That is why we started this foundation class for 9th and 10th, primarily to give some inputs on concepts so that when you go to 11th, you will be more confident on many things. Okay, let's go to the question. So today we are going to look at mathematics and particularly a chapter called numbers. So what all we need to know? Numbers is a very big chapter. We are going to see only a limited portion today. So okay, how do we find whether a number is divisible by 3 or not? So we are going to look at divisibility concepts. How do I suppose a number is given? How do you find whether a number is divisible by 3 or not? So here, if the sum is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Suppose the number is 4679213, that is 46 lakhs 79,213. If somebody wants to know whether this is divisible by 3, what you should do is you should add 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 9 26, 26 plus 2 28, then 29 32. Is 32 divisible by 3?
No, sir.
So then you can say the number is not divisible by 3. You understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it divisible by 3? Add all these numbers. So if you add all these numbers, you get 36, I think. So 36 is divisible by 3 means then that number is divisible by 3. Sorry, they are coming. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you add all these things, are you getting 36? Somebody, are you getting 36?
Yes, sir.
How did you do?
Yes, sir.
You added?
36.
No, did you add all the numbers?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There is a formula for that. You see, sum of the n natural numbers n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n is 8. Put 8, n equal to 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 into 9 divided by 2. How much you are getting? 8 into 9 divided by 2.
36, sir.
36. So you can use that formula. Suppose they want to give like this. The natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 100. And you want to find whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So what do? So we use this formula. And get that. So what is it? 100 into 101 divided by 2. So how much you are getting? 101 into 50. How much you are getting? 5050, isn't it? Am I correct? The numbers
Yes,
up to 100, if it is given, you want to find what is the sum of the n natural numbers up to 100. That you have say 100 into 101 by 2. That will be 5050. Is this 5050 is divisible by 3?
No, sir.
No, so that number also not divisible by 3. No, whatever number. Okay, next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, leave it. No, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 5 ones. Is it divisible by 3?
No, sir.
Why it is now?
No, sir. Sum of those, the number is 5, sir.
5, yeah. Sum of the numbers is 5. Okay. Now then we say sum of the n natural numbers, one formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. That most of you know. Still it is there. Sum of the squares of n natural numbers. Yes, squares of n natural numbers. What is that? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Suppose the first 10 numbers, 1 to 10, you have to find sum of the n squares of n natural numbers. It means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square like that up to 10 square. So what is the value? Can you find quickly? Use this formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N is 10, n plus 1 is 11, 10 into 11, 2n plus 1 is 21 divided by 6. So you have to find now. How much you are getting?
Sir, can you repeat the question, sir?
The sum of the squares of n natural numbers, the n natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10. 10 natural numbers, sorry, not n, 10 natural numbers. So, what is the sum of the square of n natural numbers, 10 natural numbers, from starting from 1? So here you have to use the formula n into, no, I'll show you, I have a calculation window. This is calculation window. So I can show you that. The formula says n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This I think you will know. This is sum of squares of n natural numbers. I am asking you now, what is the 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, like that, or 3 square, like that it goes up to 10 square. So, what is the answer this? Use
Sir,
this.
n into n plus 1
Oh,
into
yeah,
2
no, n
n
into n
plus
plus
1
1, sorry,
right?
n plus 1, okay. Yeah, here n is 10, 10 into 11 into 2n plus 1 is 21 divided by 6. Divided by 6. So how much you are getting?
2310.
Yes, madam?
2310.
No, divided by 6 you have to put, no?
385.
Yeah, 385 is the right answer. Yes. So like that. See, she says, so 385. Right. 10 into 11 into 21 divided by 6 is 385. Are you getting, all of you are getting 385?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, sum of cubes of n natural numbers. This is nothing but you find sum of n natural numbers, you find that first and you square that. That's all. Suppose I want 1, 2, 3, up to 10. Up to 10. I want 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 3, 10. I want to find sum of the cubes of first 10 natural numbers. So I want to find sum of cubes of first 10 natural numbers. How do I find? That is, I want to find this one. Sum of cube of 10 natural numbers. 10 natural numbers. That will be equal to, first you find the sum of the n natural numbers. What is the formula? N
55.
into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the number. That is 10 into 11 divided by 2. That is equal to 55. Am I correct? So if, this is, so the square of this will be the sum of the cubes. So that is 50, this square. So 55 square is how much? 55 square is the answer. 55 into 55. 55 into 55 is equal to how much?
3025.
3025, sir.
Okay, 3025 is the answer. Like this, you have to practice a little bit. Okay? Right, we'll go to the, again, theory. Okay. How do you find whether the number is divisible by 4? It says if the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. If the last two digits, suppose 5786, how will you find whether it's divisible by 4? What are the last two digits? 86.
Whether 86 is divisible by 4 or not, sir.
Yes, it is not divisible by 4. So 5786 is not divisible by 4. Similarly, 2468, is it divisible by 4? 2468, is it divisible by 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because 68 is divisible by 4, so the number is divisible by 4. Next, how do you find, finding whether a number is divisible by 5 or not, we know. If it ends with 0 or 5, then that is divisible by 5. Other numbers are not divisible by 5. So that's why I skipped it. By 6, how will you find whether...
If it is divisible by 2 and 3, sir.
2 and 3. By 6 means if number is divisible by 2 and 3. So now you tell me 5786. Is it divisible by 6? Because it is even, it is divisible by 2. And find out whether it is divisible by 3.
No, sir.
No. So
No,
that
sir.
is not divisible by 6. Similarly, the second one, 2468.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, because it is not divisible by 3. Children, are you with me? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
It is not
Yes,
difficult.
sir.
No? That's why I am going little faster because
Yes, sir.
it's not difficult. No, that's the thing. Then, how do you find whether a number is divisible by 7? Double unit digit and subtract from the remaining part of the number. I'll tell you now this. See, the number is 4,56,745 is the number given. Step 1, you take the unit digit, that is 5 here, and you double it. 5 means it becomes 10, and you have to subtract the 10 from 45,674, remaining number. If you subtract that, that gives 45,664. Again, do the same step. That is, the last digit is 4. You multiply by 2, that is 8. So you write 4,566 minus 8. It becomes 4,558. Again, you do this. 2 into 8 is 16. So you minus 16 from 455. It comes to 439. Again, double this 9. That is 18. Minus that 18 from 43. That gives 25. And 25 is not divisible by 7. So that whole number is not divisible by 7. it looks
Yes.
very long, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it looks very long. Sometimes you can straight away you find whether it's divisible by 7. That's also possible. Depending on the time availability, but you should know many such things. Depending on the and so that you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Okay. Let's go to question number. How do you find whether a number is divisible by? Sorry, 1 minute. Whether it's divisible by 8 or not. If the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then you can say the number is divisible by 8. So now you tell me whether this 2468 is it divisible by 8? Where is this? 2468 is it divisible by 8? Last 3 digits 468. Is 468 divisible by 8? Is 468 divisible by 8?
No, sir.
No. So that number is not divisible by 8. Similarly, just take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one, the second number in the top line, find out whether it is divisible by 8. You take 678. Find out whether it is divisible by 8. No, it's not divisible by 8. So definitely that number also is not divisible by 8. Okay? Understood?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Then
Yes,
how
sir.
do we find whether the number is divisible by 9? If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then you can say that number is divisible by 9. For example, in this case, in the top row, 46,79,213. So you add all these things and find whether the number is divisible by 9. Just check.
No, sir.
So if you add all numbers 10, 17, 26, 28, 29, 32, 32 is not divisible by 9. So definitely that number is not divisible by 9. Go to next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add that numbers. 8 into 9 by 2. 36. 36 is divisible by 9. So it is divisible by 9.
Yes, sir.
So the second one is divisible by 9. So like that. See, some of these things will be very handy. There won't be any direct question like this in your exam. But this will be very handy, very, very, what do you say, very useful rather. There you can, do that. Okay. So let's go to this thing, by 11. What is that by 11? What is that they are saying? Let's see. By whether a number is divisible by 11 or not. Difference between the sum of the alternate digits are 0 or multiple of 11. What they say, take a number 74,536. Take the alternate digits 7, 5 and 6. Add those three numbers. 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. Keep it there. And then the other two, 4 and 3 you add. That is 7. So 18 minus 7 is 11. 11 is divisible by 11. So the whole number 74,536 divisible by 11. Okay. Understood what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, find out whether that 99999 is divisible by 11.
No, sir.
No, because
sir.
if you add those alternate digit 999, it comes to 27. And if you add the other two, 9 and 9, 80. 27 minus 18 is 9. So it is 18, 18 is 9. 9 is not divisible by 11, so it's not divisible by 11. Okay? Like that you have got fine. Okay. Let's go to 13. This is a very complicated thing. Still, you have you studied this in the school? 13?
No, sir.
Okay, we will study here.
No, sir.
Whatever they don't teach in the school, we will try to do it here. Okay, that should be our norm, isn't it? Okay, see 13. Multiply last digit by 4 and add that number with the remaining number. Find whether it is divisible by 13. Example 156. 156. The last number is 6. Multiply 6 by 4. That becomes 12. Sorry, 6 by 4, 24. Sorry, 24. So 15 plus 24 is 39. Is 39 divisible by 13? Yes. So the number is 156 is also divisible by 13. Purita,
Yes, sir.
are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So try that number 4, 5, 6, 7. Try that 4, 5, 6, 7 in that same way. 7 into 4 is 28. Like that. So add the 28 to the number 4.
No, sir.
484 comes. Again that 4 into 4 is 16. You are adding that 16 to 48. That comes 64. 64 is not divisible by 13. So that number is also not divisible by 13. Okay. So one more number we will try. One more number for the benefit of all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you find whether it is divisible by 13 or not. This is one, what you should do? You should multiply by 4, no? Like 8 into 4 is 32. So add that with that number. Like that you have to do. It takes time, but you do it. Nothing wrong. Have you finished? So have you finished? So you have to.
Sir, it is not divisible by
It is not divisible by 13.
13.
Okay, okay. How about others? Are you able to find out? So okay,
Yes, sir.
let me do it. See the
It
first
is
what
not
1, 2, 3,
divisible by
4, 5,
20.
6, 7 plus 16. You have to do like that. So that comes something like that. You can keep on doing and find last you will get around 2 digits or 3 digits. If that is divisible by 13, then you can say that number is divisible by 13. It's complicated, but you should know this. I want you, not that you will use it, but you should know it. Okay. So how do you find whether it's divisible by 19? See, they has given example 4,56,760. They say you take the last digit, add that digit with the remaining number. So 45676 plus 0. It's again 45676. Second step is, you have to multiply by 2, I think. Yeah. Then the second step is the last digit you multiply by 2. That is 12. So you add the 12 to 4,567. 4,567 plus 12, that comes 4,579. Again, 9 you multiply by 2, 18. 4,557 plus 18, 475. That 5 you add, multiply by 2, 10. 47 plus 10 is 57. Is 57 divisible by 19?
Yes, sir.
So you can say this 4,56,760 is divisible by 19. Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
We should multiply the unit
Yes,
digit
sir.
with 2 and
Yeah, you have
subtract.
to multiply the unit digit with the 2 and add to the remaining number.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I mean, these are something which, if you know this, it's not that you will use it every now and then, but if you know this, you will become very confident. See, I know, see, you people generally, like, for example, when I was like you, I was confident when I know many things. If I am not confident, then I will have, little. So if I know more information, I will become very confident. And if you are confident, you will not make mistake like that. So this one I'm skipping because the top you have to put one bar, that I'm not able to put that bar. So I don't know. So otherwise you will get confused. So I'm just skipping this and go to. Okay, you just see 140. Number of factors of 140. See how many factors are 140? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 5, 7, 10, 14, 20, 28, 35, 70, 140. My God, so many factors, huh?
Yes, sir.
How many? It's some peculiar number, I think. How many factors? Leave 1 and 140. Baki kitna hai? 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 factors. 10 factors. And there is something called perfect number. You know that? What is perfect number?
Yes, sir.
Perfect number is, let's say, 24. What are the factors of perfect, 24?
1,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. So you leave 1 and 24. You add all other things. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 12 is 27. No, where did we make mistake? Did we make any mistake? No. The 2 plus 5, 5, 9, 6, 9, 15, 27. So if you add all these numbers, if that is equal to 24, then we call that number as a perfect number. In this case, it is not a perfect.
27 is a perfect number.
Which one?
27, sir.
27. What are these? 1, comma, 3, comma, 9, comma, 27 you said, no?
No,
No,
20.
20, not 27. Some other number I forgot actually. 36, huh? Maybe I think. Let's try 36. 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 6, comma 12, comma
No,
9.
28, sir.
20. Okay, let's try 28. 28. What are the factors? 1, comma 2, comma 4, comma 7, comma
14, sir.
14, comma 28. So now you add all the factors other than 1 and that number. If you add all, 2, 4, 7, 14, how much you are getting? Hmm. 1, 2,
27, sir.
27 only we are getting. So there are some
Sir,
numbers I
we
don't
should
know.
add also 1, sir.
Oh yeah, we have to add 1. Is it? Oh, other than that number, you have to add 1, huh? Anyway, I'll check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if what Kavina says is correct, then you just leave only that number and take other factors. If you
Sir,
add
also 6, sir. 6.
huh?
6 is also a perfect number, sir.
6 is also a perfect number because 1, 2, 3, correct. Yeah, you have to add 1 because there also we are adding. Okay, good, very good. So one more, see, how do you find HCF of fraction and LCM of fraction? Have you studied this?
Yes, sir. Highest common factor and lowest common factor.
Yeah, see, HCF of, no, normally, say for example, I'll take some ordinary example. Let's say 24 and 36. What is the LCM? How will you find?
Prime factorization method, sir.
Yeah, what is LCM? Yeah, good evening, Guru.
First one more.
Guru, I will join you later. Huh? I'll switch off my mic because I'm in the other class. Yeah. So 24, 16. What is the LCM? What is the LCM of 24 and 36? LCM.
72, sir.
72, because you have to find a number, the lowest number, which is divisible by both 24 and 36. So 72 is divisible by both 24 and 36. And how do you find HCF? HCF should divide, whatever the HCF number should divide 24 and 36. So what is the one number which divides both the numbers? Highest.
12 is the HCF, sir.
Huh?
12 is the
12.
HCF,
Yeah,
sir.
12 is the HCF. 12 is, this is for ordinary natural numbers. But if the number is a fraction, like this, for example, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 7 by 6. There are three numbers they have given. 2 by 3, 4 by 5. And they are asking you to find what is the LCM of these three numbers. So LCM of fraction is equal to LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. Numerator means that comes in the top. So what is the LCM of numerator here? 2, 4, 7. That is in the numerator. So what is the LCM of 2, 4, 7? LCM of 2, 4, 7? LCM of 2, 4, 7. 2, 4. See, LCM of 2, 4, 7 is how much? 2, 4, 7.
28.
28.
28.
28 and divided by HCF of denominator. So denominator here is 3, 5 and 6. So HCF of 3, 5, 6 is HCF of 3, 5, 6. So the one number which can divide all the three numbers, 3, 5, 6, that is 1. Isn't it? So 28 by 1. So 28 is the LCM of these ratios. 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 7 by 6. The ratio of these three numbers, these three numbers, the LCM is 28. Find out the HCF of these numbers. That you have to find
30, sir.
HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator.
30.
Yeah, 30. That is the HCF is 1 and LCM is 30. Yeah, 1 by 30 is the answer. Correct. You are correct. So find out this. One more example. 7 by 8, 8 by 9, 13 by 8, 18. Find out what is the HCF and what is LCM. Already our answers are given, but you find out whether we are getting this. Are we getting 7 by 8, 8 by 9, 13 by 18? So what is the, say for example, we will take one by one. LCM of 7, 8 and 13. LCM of 7, 8 and 13. Like that again HCF of both you have to find for numerator, find both HCF and LCM. Similarly for denominator also HCF and LCM find, then you use the formula and find out. So the value comes LCM equals 728, HCF comes 1 by 72. But it looks like even though those numbers are like in the form of a ratio, 2 by 3, LCM comes a whole number, HCF comes in the that kind of form, 1 by 72 like that. Okay? So this you can keep in your mind. Hello? Suppose it's like this. No, I'm going to give you one problem. See, 11 by 13, 13 by 15, 15 by 17. So, what is the LCM? LCM, options are given. Options given are some number 1, 2, 3, 4. Mine may not be right. Option 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 1, 2, 3, 4. B, 1 by 2456, like that. C, 1 by 728. D, 1 by 144. So which one may be correct? I have given random number. I have not, maybe none of these things will be correct actually. But I have given like, suppose if it is like this.
So 1234.
Because the LCM comes as a whole number. LCM comes as a whole number. HCF comes with 1 by something like that, no? Some kind of a ratio. So, little bit of this kind of information if you keep, it will save lot of your time when you are doing the exam. Manasulayo, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Children, if you are not clear, you stop me. Okay, we'll go one another thing. Find the largest 3-digit number which is multiple of 24. I'll just come. Okay. Sorry. Another class is going on. I just went there. Okay. Now see. Find the largest three-digit number which is multiple of 24. Which is the largest three-digit number? Tell me.
999, sir.
999. So we have to find whether which is the largest thing which is divisible by 24. Now divide 999 by 24, and what is the remainder you are getting? You are getting a remainder 15. So you subtract that 15 from 999 and you are getting 984. So 984 is the largest multiple of 24, largest three-digit number which is multiple of 24. I think you are getting confused, I think. Are you getting confused?
No, sir.
No, others. See here, find the largest three-digit number which is multiple of 24. That is the question. We know for a fact the largest three-digit number is 999. So what is the smallest three-digit number?
100, sir.
100. Smallest three-digit number is 100. Largest three-digit number is 999. We have to find the largest three-digit number which is multiple of 24. 999 is not multiple of 24. But we are dividing 999 with 24 and we are getting a remainder is 15. So that 15 you minus from 999. 999 minus 15, you are getting answer of 984. And you find 984 is divisible by 24. So you check whether 984 is divisible by 24 by doing it in your piece of paper. You check whether 984 is divisible by 24. 984 divided by 24, 3, 72, 6, 2, 4. Oh, sorry, 4 is 96. 24, 1. So 41 you are getting, no? On the quotient area you are getting 41 and the remainder is 0. Okay, go to next. Let's go to one more. Find largest three-digit number which is multiple of 17. How will you find? The largest three-digit number is 999. We know it is 999. Now I am going to divide this by 17. How much you are getting? 999 divided by 17. What is the quotient? What is the remainder? Yes. What is the quotient? What is the remainder? When you divide 999 divided by 17, what is the quotient you are getting? 999 divided by 17.
58.7
Yeah,
watts, sir.
58. No, quotient 58. What is the remainder? What is the remainder? Remainder is 13, no? Are you getting remainder 13?
Yes,
Here it
sir.
goes on.
Eh?
13, sir.
Remainder is 13. So now you have to minus this 13 from 999. 999 minus 13 will give me how much?
986, sir.
86 is the answer. Okay, do this one problem. Largest three-digit number which is divisible by 89. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Try and do it.
Sir, 979, sir.
Yeah, I'm getting 979. Let's wait whether all of you are getting 979. We'll wait for another 2 minutes. Are we getting 979? See, what we have done is, 999 divided by 89 you have to put. So here, what the quotient you get is 11, and the remainder is you are getting as 20. 20. So you have to minus this 20 from 999. 999 minus 20 is equal to 979. So that is the answer. 979 is the answer. Are you with me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Right. So these are some things which we will go do this continue with next class. We will go to question paper. I have just taken one. Let's see one or two. In fact, I have taken another question paper which I have not practiced this. Yes, we'll see this question. How many natural numbers between 200 and 400 are there which are divisible by 4, 5, 8 or 10? So this is here there is no shortcut. You have to find. So how many between 200 to 400? How many numbers will be divisible by 10? 200 to 400. There will be 20 numbers. Between 200 to 400 means what? You should not take into account 200. You should not take into account 400. 201 to 399. Like that it means. So you will get, okay? Yes?
The 9 numbers, sir.
9? Check. Is it 9 or 19? The numbers between 200 and 400 which are divisible by 10 is 19. So the numbers which are divisible by 5 will be how many? I think in my opinion, I think it may be 38, almost double. The number which are divisible by 4?
The number divisible by 10 is 90, yes, sir.
19, 19.
Okay.
19 and 5 may be 38. I think 38 may be correct. And the number which are divisible by 4, the numbers which are divisible by 4 will be roughly about 50.
48.
48, okay. And divisible by 8.
24.
So if you add all these things, how much you are getting? 19, 38, 48, 24. No, we are getting more. No, I think I may be wrong. So the 38 also we have to check.
There are common numbers in between these 4 now, sir.
What, ma? Okay, no other go. You have to do like this only. Anyway, we will take this later. Let's not waste our time. Go to question number 2. Oh, 1 minute. Question number 2. Yeah, in an examination, 80% marks are required to get scholarship. Abhi got 1005 and failed to get the scholarship by 13% of the maximum marks. What was the maximum marks? Interesting. Little tricky, but not difficult. Understand the question first. Sabari, can you read the question once?
Yes, sir. In an examination, 80% marks are required to get scholarship. Abhi got 1005 and failed to get the scholarship by 13% of the maximum marks. What was the maximum marks? Option A 800,
No, no,
option
that you
B.
need not be. Okay, so now
Yes, sir.
Abhi got what percentage of marks Abhi got out of the total marks? Total is 100%, means what percent he got?
80%, sir.
Yes.
No?
1%, sir.
Huh?
1%.
What percent? 1. No, no, he got 1005 marks. That is okay. But we don't know the total marks. Total marks something different. That's what we have to find. But percentage wise, how much he got?
67.
67. If 67% is 1005, what is 100%? So 1005 divided by 67 into 100. So how much you are getting? That is the answer actually. So is it 1500? Just check. Are you getting 1500?
Yes, sir.
1005 divided by 67 and multiplied by 100.
1500.
Yeah, 1500 is the right answer. Okay, go to question number 7. One of you can read. Sabari, you read.
Yes. If f bracket x comma y
F of
bracket
x,
is
y, x
equal to,
comma y. No, you have to read f of x comma y. Okay, like that you read.
if f of x comma y is equal to 2x minus y, the value of f of 1 comma 1 plus f of 1 by 4 comma 3 by 4 minus f of 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4 is,
And nothing but just substitute and find out. That's all. F of 1 comma 1 is 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 1. F of 1 comma 1 is 1. F of 1 by 4 comma 3 by 4 will be how much? 2 into 1 by 4, that is half, and minus 3 by 4. So is minus 1 by 4. Then f of half comma 1 by 4. That is half means 1. 1 minus 1 by 4. That is 3 by 4. So what we have to say? 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So how much you are getting? I got the answer. Fatafat I got it.
sir, can you explain this question, sir?
No, now you try. No, what you do is f of x comma y equal to 2x minus y. This is the equation given. But if you want
Okay,
to
sir.
find f of 1 comma 1, put wherever x is there, put 1. Wherever y is there, put 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1. That is 2 minus 1. So f of 1 comma 1 is 1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Like that, next one, you instead of x, you put 1 by 4. Instead of y, you put 3 by 4. And third one,
Option A, sir. 1 by 2.
no, you check. I am getting something else. I may be wrong. I am not saying I am correct, but I am getting something else. How much f of 1 by 4 comma 3 by 4 you are getting? How much f of 1 by 4 comma 3 by 4? Are you getting minus 1 by 4? You just substitute in the 2x
Yes,
minus.
sir, minus 1 by 4, sir.
Yeah, that if you substitute in 2x minus y, you will get minus 1 by 4. Now you find f of half comma 1 by 4, that one. F of 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4. You find out that?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 by 4, sir, for that.
That's 3 by 4. Now you add all, see, one is addition, another subtraction. Do that.
Yes, sir. 2 by 4, sir.
Are you getting 2 by 4? 1, 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. How are you getting 2 by 4? 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. How much you are getting? What are you getting?
Sir, 1 plus 1 by 4, sir.
Not plus, no? Because f of 1 by 4 by 3 by 4 is minus 1 by 4, but there it is plus f of 1 by 4, no?
But they are given f of 1 comma 1 plus f of 1 by
Plus,
4
no,
comma
that
3.
because it's plus, you have to put the same minus 1 by 4, only will come. I don't know, what is your confusion?
0, sir.
0 is the answer, correct. 0 is the answer. You check, all of you, please check once again, and whether you are getting 0.
Sir, but how negative is coming instead of plus there, sir?
No, 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 value of that is negative. Plus is they are adding that. Why are you getting confused? The value of f of 1 by 4 and 3 by 4, comma 3 by 4 is minus 1 by 4. You are adding
Yes,
that with f of 1 comma 1.
yes,
And the
sir.
third value is minus 3 by 4. And because they put minus outside, it will become, sorry, the third value is 3 by 4. Because you have put minus, then that will become minus 3 by 4. So
Yes,
1
sir.
minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4, that will be equal to 0.
Yes, sir, I understood.
So I think, no, I think it's time up. We will see more questions maybe in my class. These are little difficult, but it makes us to think. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So our class, I think year after, we will be taking little tougher questions so that we are made to think in the class. Okay, then the class will be more meaningful to all of you. Okay, thank you so much for coming. So, all of Parli students and Kerala students, are you with us? Are you able to understand?